In this video, I will show you how to evaluate difference quotient. Example 1. Find the difference quotient, and here f of x equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. And we have to find f of 3 plus h minus f of p over h. Step number 1. First find f of 3 plus h using this function f of x equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. So let's write down f of x equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. But substitute 3 plus h. So f of x becomes f of 3 plus h equals to 3 plus h squared minus 5 times 3 plus h plus 6. Now we squared the 3 plus h. So how do we square? Square the 3, it becomes 3 squared. Then square the h, and then multiply 2 with the 3 and then h. And here we subdistribute negative 5, this becomes negative 5 times 3. Minus plus makes a minus 5 times h plus 6. Now we simplify. 3 square is 9 plus 2 times 3 times h will be 6h and plus h square. Minus 5 times 3, 15 and minus 5h plus 6. Now we simplify. Let's combine the like terms. 9 minus 15 and 6 and 6h and minus 5h and plus h square. 9 minus 15 will be minus 6 and minus 6 plus 6 will be disappears 0. So we don't need to write to 0. 6h minus 5h becomes h and plus h squared. So f of 3 plus h we found is equal to h plus h squared. So after we found f of 3 plus h equal to h plus h squared, we do the step 2, find f of 3 using the given function. So let's write down f of x equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6, and we'll substitute x equal to 3. So this becomes f of 3 equals to 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 6. 3 squared is 9 and 5 times 15 plus 6. 9 minus 15 is minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. Now we do step 3, write the difference quotient, which is f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 over h. Now we substitute f of 3 plus h equal to h plus h squared and f of 3 equals to 0. So this becomes h plus h squared minus 0 over h. Simplify, you get h plus h squared over h. Now we factor the numerator. We can factor h, so we're left with 1 plus h over h. Now we cancel the h and the answer is 1 plus h. Example 2, find the difference quotient f of x equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6, and the difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So step 1, find f of x plus h. So let's start with f of x equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. Substitute x equal to x plus h. So this becomes f of x plus h. X squared becomes x plus h squared, and minus 5, change x to x plus h plus 6. Now we square the x plus h. So square of x is x squared, and then you multiply x times h and multiply with a 2. So, and then plus and square the h, and then distribute negative 5. So negative 5 times x will be negative 5x, and then negative 5 times h will be negative 5h, and we get a plus 6. So now we simplify, where x squared stays x squared. This becomes 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 6. So we have found f of x plus h equals to x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 6. Now we do the step 2, write the difference quotient, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now we substitute f of x plus h, which we just found, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 6. So we write here. After that, we put this minus sign, and then we write the f of x, which was given x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now we open the parentheses. So it becomes x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x plus minus 5h plus 6. And this becomes negative x squared, negative times negative becomes plus 5x, and plus 6 becomes negative 6. Now we cancel out the like term. X squared cancel with this x squared, and 5x cancel with this positive 5x, and plus 6 cancel with negative 6, and we're left with 2xh plus h squared minus 5h and divide by h. Now we can factor out h, so you have h times 2x plus h minus 5. Let's cancel out h, and the answer is 2x plus h minus 5. So here's an example 3. Find the difference quotient, and f of x is 1 over x minus 2, and the difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So step 1, we find f of x plus h for f of x equal to 1 over x minus 2. So you substitute where the x is x equal to x plus h. So we have f of x becomes f of x plus h equals to 1 over x changed to x plus h. So 1 over x plus h minus 2. Now after finding f of x plus h equals to 1 over x plus h minus 2, step 2, we're going to use f of x equal to 1 over x minus 2, f of x plus h equal to 1 over x plus h minus 2 to find the value of the difference quotient, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Substitute f of x plus h equal to 1 over x plus h minus 2 here, and minus then f of x substitute 1 over x minus 2. So difference quotient is 1 over x plus h minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 over h. Now we're going to step 3, we're going to simplify 1 over x plus h minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 over h. While these are two fractions, we have to combine into a single fraction. So they have different denominators. So we find the LCD. The LCD is x plus h minus 2 times x minus 2. So now we have to write first fraction into its equivalent fraction with the denominator this. To do that one, we're going to multiply the top and bottom of the first fraction with x minus 2. So you have x minus 2 over x minus 2 times x plus h minus 2. And minus, then change this to fraction with the denominator equals to x plus h minus 2 times x minus 2. So we multiply top here and bottom here with x plus h minus 2 and x minus h plus minus h plus x plus h minus 2. So now they have same denominator, x minus 2 times x plus h minus 2. So we can, before we do it, so we subtract the numerator. So we got x minus 2 minus x plus h minus 2 over x minus 2 times x plus h minus 2, and divide by h. Open the parentheses, so you have x minus 2 minus 6 minus h plus 2, and over x minus 2 times x plus h minus 2. So it looks like the x's cancels, 2's cancel, and left with minus h over x minus 2 times x plus h minus 2 over h. And now we can cancel the h. You're left with negative 1 over x minus 2 times x plus h minus 2, and that's the value of the difference quotient. Example 4. Now we have f of x equal to 1 over x squared. We have to find the difference quotient f of x minus f of 2 over x minus 2. So let's see, step 1, first we find f of 2. So because f of 2 we needed, f of x is already given. So we start with f of x equal to 1 over x squared. Substitute x equals to 2 and this become 1 over 2 squared, and simplify we become 1 over 4. Step 2, we're going to use the values of f of x equal to 1 over x squared and f of 2 equals to 1 over 4, and we're going to find the value of f of x minus f of 2 over x minus 2. So we substitute f of x equals to 1 over x squared and f of 2 equals to 1 over 4. So we have now 1 over x squared minus 1 over 4x minus. Now we're going to simplify. Step 3. Again, we have to subtract these two fractions, but in order to subtract, we have to have same denominator. So we find the LCD of x squared and 4, which is 4 times x squared. Now we're going to find the equivalent fraction of 1 over x squared and 1 over 4 with the denominator 4x squared. So, so to do that one, you multiply 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, it becomes 4 over 4x squared, and here I think we multiply x squared and multiply x squared here, so become x squared over 4x squared, and overall divide by x minus 2. Now you have same denominator. So we can subtract the numerator, so it becomes 4 minus x squared over 4x squared minus x minus 2. Now we have to simplify. So to do that, we factor 4 minus x squared. So 4 minus x squared we can rewrite as negative x squared plus 4. We can factor out negative and becomes x squared minus 4. And then we factor out x squared minus 4. So you have a negative times x minus 2 plus x minus 2. So you have this changes to negative x minus 2 times x plus 2 over 4x squared, overall divide by x minus 2. Now you can see the x minus 2 and x minus 2, or you can rewrite top fraction, write the top fraction negative x minus 2x plus 2 4x squared times the reciprocal of x minus 2 be 1 over x minus 2. Now we can cancel out x minus 2 and you're left with what? Negative x plus 2 over 4x squared. And that is the answer of the difference quotient.